Hey y'all, welcome back. Been on sabbatical, working, truck driving. So this is what you get when you order one of these Chinese kits off of eBay for 20 bucks. You get a kit full of all kinds of parts with not one number on any of the parts and no instructions whatsoever. This is all that was in the box with the kit. I'm guessing that's the horizontal tail. Half of it, or 3/4 of it, it looks like. That's the only plan that comes in the box. No written instructions, no nothing. I kind of have an idea what it's supposed to look like, but it didn't come with a picture, so I gotta go with the picture off of eBay. I think those are more tail parts there. This is gonna be quite the project, no doubt.